Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to use Calendly to attract more clients and easily schedule calls without any back and forth messaging. Whether you're a fitness coach, a doctor, a consultant, a freelancer, or a social media manager, Calendly is an excellent tool that streamlines your booking process and helps you save time while appearing more professional. Let's get started. First, open your browser and type Calendly into the search bar. Click on the official website and sign up using your Google account or any other method you prefer. Once you're signed in, Calendly will ask for access to your Google Calendar, which allows your appointments to sync automatically. This is important because it prevents overlaps and removes the need to manually update your schedule. After creating your account, Calendly will ask you a few simple questions to customize your experience. Select whether you're using the platform individually or as part of a team, then choose the type of work you do. This helps Calendly tailor the setup for your needs. Next, configure the basics by choosing your meeting location, such as Zoom, Google Meet, phone call, or in person, and then set your general availability hours. Now you're ready to create your first event. Click the Create button to begin. Start by choosing the type of meeting you want to offer. Then set the available days and times, whether it's recurring availability or specific hours for certain days. Once everything is configured, Calendly will generate a unique scheduling link for that event. Simply copy the link and share it with your clients. They can choose a time that works for them, and Calendly will automatically place it on your calendar. Calendly also includes several powerful features that make the scheduling experience even better. Under the integration section, you can connect platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams, so meeting links are generated automatically for every appointment. If you work with multiple tools, you can link several of them through the Integrations menu. In the Analytics section, view detailed statistics about your scheduled calls. This helps you monitor your workflow and track patterns, such as peak booking times or the types of sessions clients prefer. Customization options also let you adjust your account settings, modify meeting link names, update time zones, and manage holidays or block dates to ensure your availability always reflects your real schedule. To connect a video conferencing tool like Google Meet, navigate to Integrations and Apps, find Google Meet, and follow the guided steps to sync your account. After connecting it, Calendly will automatically attach meeting links to every scheduled appointment. And that's all it takes. With Calendly, managing appointments becomes effortless, allowing you to focus on growing your business while the tool handles all your bookings in the background. If this guide helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. See you next time.